Good morning, everyone. Steve Georgie here from Allendale's Trading Floor. It is March 8th. We've got everything kind of setting back a little bit today. Maybe just a turnaround Tuesday type attitude as you hear, but corn down 1.50 overnight, beans down 3, wheat down 3. Kind of that, like I said, that turnaround day to day. You've got energies that are lower after a very strong day yesterday. You've got the stock market at this time pulling back some with just concerns that, China, you can read anything out there on that maybe their economy isn't as stable as the market's making it out to be. Well, still a concern. So we'll see how we react and move forward with that. The big thing for the grains is going to be focused on tomorrow. USDA coming out with their supply and demand report. And we're going to see a new carryout numbers. We're going to see numbers and probably see carryout numbers increase versus finding them decrease. That could be looked at as negative here for the short term. But for corn, we are looking for an increase of about 25 million bushel. Our number that we're looking for is 1.862 billion carryout. So 1.862, pretty big number there. For beans, 466 million. Now that's an increase from 450 last month, so an increase of about 16 million for beans, and then just a slight increase for wheat. Looking for wheat ending stocks to jump 8 million up to 974 million. So an increase for all three. We've seen a nice bounce here in the short term. We've seen a great bounce here the last few days. What do we do with that? We've got to be careful. We see some bearish numbers. We may see some selling tomorrow from those numbers. But behind this, focus is going to be on the acreage report that comes at the end of the month. Acreage report and quarterly stock numbers. And we'll talk about that as we get closer to that, but that will be the next focus, is what's being planted. It's warm. We're getting rain across most of the Midwest. Things are looking good. I'm hearing guys out in the fields getting into the field already. It is March 8th. But it's that time, and this is a chance, an opportunity for guys to get some field work done, and guys are doing it. So that's early, but we'll see the reaction we get as we go forward. But the focus, like I said, is going to be on this report tomorrow, and that will be out at 11 a.m. Central Time. Livestock, box beef was up a little bit yesterday. I think we're going to get a little bit of a recovery again today for cattle. But hogs, on the other hand, we're in this seasonal pattern where we typically get these declines. I would not be surprised to see hogs take another step lower here today, at least for that April contract, and look for that to find a little more pressure. Stock market down about 80 points right now. You've got crude oil dropping back just a little bit, down 16, and you've got the dollar down about 4. So give us a call if you have any questions. We're here to help you out. 800-262-7538 or on the web at allendale-inc.com. You guys have a great day today, and we'll talk to you again tomorrow. Take care.